I'm going to show you how to assign a task in ClickUp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Once you open the app and you're in the app, you just need to select your preferred workspace. And once you're in the workspace, just go ahead and select any of the spaces that you have right over here and select the space where you want to assign a task. Once you're there, tap on the list and get this plus icon right over here. Just go ahead and tap there and now write down the name of the task. So let's say you are trying to assign a task of editing. Just go ahead and tap here, tap on assignee, and now choose the people you want to assign the task to. You can choose to set the dates, you can choose the status, to do or complete. You can also select the task type, tap on done. You can also choose to attach some photos or upload a file, and after you've done so, tap on create. And now you have successfully assigned a task in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give us a like and drop us a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos you would like. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.